Hey everyone, it's Tony. In this video, we'll be going over an easy level SQL interview question that was asked by Facebook, or now known as Meta. It's called pages with no likes. In this problem, we're given two tables. The first one is the pages table, which basically contains all the Facebook pages. And its schema is a page ID that's an int and a page name in varchar format. So an example of what this table can look like is that we have the page IDs as integers, so every page has a unique page ID. This is what differentiates the pages from each other, and also their respective page names. You can see some examples here. They're all varchars or strings. The second table is called page likes, and this table basically documents all of the likes on a Facebook page and the date the user liked that page. So we have our user ID as an int, which also differentiates the users from each other. User 111 would be different than 121, for example. And as we've seen before, the page ID as an integer as well, and the like date, which is what date and time a specific user liked that page. Since this question is called pages with no likes, what we want to output from these two input tables is all the pages that exist that have no likes. So in this example provided by the website, we see that there are three pages that exist with page IDs this, and this. And we can see that page ID 20,001 has user ID 111 who liked that page on this date. So we know that page has a like, so we don't want to include it. Furthermore, we see 20,045 also has a like by user ID 121. So we also don't want to take page ID 20,045. But does 20,701 have a like? No, because the next like is 20,001 and we don't see any more records. So in our final output, we only want to have the page ID 20,701 because it's the only page in this pages table that has no likes by any users. This question can be solved in a pretty simple way. So we can select the page ID from pages. And this gives us all the page IDs that exist in our sample Facebook application. And what I'm trying to do here is take all the pages that exist in our application and subtract them from all the pages with likes. And we can do this by using the except operator, which is basically a subtraction in a way. And in order to subtract it from all the pages with likes, we can use our page likes table and just take the page IDs from there. And this is the most simplest solution that I think we can solve this problem with. So as you can see, we only have one column with page ID with all the pages from the pages table minus all the pages from the page likes table. So we're left with all the pages with no page likes because every page either has a like or doesn't. So if it doesn't, it's in this table. So we can submit. And you see it was accepted. I want to go over another solution using joins if this isn't as intuitive. So instead of accept, we can use a left join or equivalently a left outer join on the page likes table. And we can just alias that as likes for brevity's sake. And we left join on the first table, page ID, and the second table's page ID. After running, we can see that the two tables are joined together on their page IDs, which are all the same on each row. However, of all the page IDs from the pages table, if we don't have a matching page ID from the likes table, it will just come off as null, like you see here. So from here, I can deduce that page ID this, because it doesn't have a matching page ID in the second table, which is these two columns, then this one has no likes by any users, and also this one as well. So in order to solve this problem using a left join, you can do where likes.pageid, so our second table, is null, which will ignore all the pages with likes and only give us these two page IDs without any likes. But the question wants us to only output the page IDs. So instead of selecting all, we can select the page IDs from the first table, like so. And if we submit this, we can also see that it's accepted. That's it for this video. Hope it makes sense. Consider to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.